Hi everyone, this run is almost a full Auto Plus run with Ramza, Garnet and Lulu. The only one button press that I had to do in the run to make it consistent is to pop summon mode at 19% health. Beyond that, this party of Ramza, Garnet and Lulu will output quite a lot of damage that the sweeper summon at the 79, 59 and 39% health can be dealt with just with the AI dealing damage alone, and you don't have to worry about the boss's attacks. The setup is also fairly straightforward. All I did is to unequip Garnet's EX skill so that she doesn't have to waste turn using EX, and I also unequipped Ramza's Galvanize skill as well for the same reason. I'll also cover my setup in the video description so you can check it out for more information. In terms of when to pop summon, I'll also be including a timestamp for that in the video description so you can use that to skip ahead to the one manual input in the fight. But it is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is wait until the boss hits 19% and summons the final sweeper. Then you can just off auto for a moment, and the first action that you get, you just pop summon mode and toggle auto plus back on. Regarding ultimate weapons, my Garnet does have a 5/5 ultimate weapon, my Ramza is with a 0 out of 5 sword ultimate weapon, and my Lulu has a 2/5 ultimate weapon as well. With that said, kick in and enjoy the fight. This is sort of the best time to pop summon mode. I was just waiting for Garnet's turn before the enemy can act to pop summon mode, but you don't have to. As long as the final sweeper is out, just popping summon right there is good enough. Once the final sweeper is dead, the rest of the fight is a cakewalk.